Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to apply for this scholarship in Saudi Arabia. This is King Abdulaziz University. It will be providing you the fully funded scholarships for bachelors, masters, and PhD. We'll show the detailed application process in this video. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are new here for the first time, please do subscribe. And if you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. The link for this scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmelook.com. Once you visit our website, you can apply, and regarding this scholarship, you can read the details. It's offered by the Saudi Arabia government, and there are multiple universities, but we'll be talking particularly to the King Abdulaziz University. And there are certain rewards for this particular scholarship, and which may contain full scholarship, accommodation, two-way tickets, monthly stipend, and free healthcare. So deadline to apply for this is May 21st and 26th. After that, this government scholarship will close, and these are the basic details which you should consider. The deadline is 21st of May 2026, and to be considered for this scholarship, you should have a very good grades and not be exceeding age of 35 for masters, 40 for PhD, and have a good research conduct and record in the academics. Then recommendation letters are there required, and you should not have been dismissed from any of the universities in the kingdom already, like prior. If you have studied in the Saudi, then you should have not been dismissed or terminated from any of the programs. And IELTS and TOEFL is not required for the graduating students from American, British, or Canadian, Australian universities. Rest for all, it is mandatory. Then so benefits we have already discussed here, and the duration of the programs for undergraduate will be 4 years, masters 2 years, and PhD 3 years. Documents: passport photograph, birth certificate, O-level results, or you can say high school certifications, updated CV and resume, statement of purpose, and graduation certificate with the translation if it is not in English. Then academic transcripts, recommendation letters, and valid passport at least for 1 year. How do you apply? Simply scroll down here. You can see click here to apply. Click on this link to start the application. Now once you click on that, you can see the official website. Here we'll translate this to the English by officially selecting the English language. You can see different programs like PhD at King Abdulaziz University. These are different PhD programs, and you can see master's programs. You can see certain programs here, and depends on which program you wish to apply. You should be eligible for the program here. So for example, I'll go with this mining engineering masters. I'll select this and click on this here. So the process to apply for this is simple, and you can see the QS ranking for this university is 143 in the world. And to apply for this program, you have to complete the profile first, where you have to submit the bachelor's degree, and you have to submit IELTS and TOEFL as well. So once you submit these details, then only you can apply for this. So first we'll log in here, click on the sign in button, and for the first time users, you have to click on create account here. So in this account session, you must maintain all the details regarding to the passport: first name, last name, email address, date of birth, your nationality, your gender, password, confirm password, and click on create account. We already have done this part here. To save time, I'll use the username and password here. Simply come back and log in here. So now I'll sign in. So click on start your application here, and you can see different universities. So I'll select King Abdulaziz University. You can select any other university as well if you wish. Now click on the explore programs button, and you can see the different programs. For example, I'll go with this business admission in business. So you can see applicant is not older than 30 years. So you can see you must be 30 years for any of the programs that are mentioned here. So likewise, so the programs that you wish to apply, you must fulfill all the details, all the requirements for that program. So you can check out different programs here. And in case you think you have made any mistake in any of the profile section, so you can cross check that here, and you can readjust the date of birth in case you have missed it. So I'll just make it one here and update. So that click on save and continue. Now go back to institutions here and click on this university here. I might be now eligible for the different programs. So I'll click on the masters here. So you can see minimum 30 is required still is in case you are facing the same issue, like your age is yet to be par with this, so you can adjust that here. So I'll just change the date of birth here just in order to show you the demo application. So I'll now save the details here. So you can see I have saved details. Go again to the same institution list, select the university you wish, click on explore programs. Now I'll select the program here. Okay, in this case it is not, I think. Okay, now I have made a mistake here. Now I'll select this, confirm the preference. I have read terms and conditions, and once you start the application, there will be required attachments. So you have to upload your bachelor's degree, you have to upload your English test scores like IELTS, TOEFL, or Cambridge English test. So one by one, you upload them here. You can re-upload them if there's any issue in the document. Then click on Add to Preference. So you keep adding all the applications to the programs to the preference. Then you can go and click on the View Preference List here, and in case there's any issue with the application, like previously we have made a reference list here, so you can see missing requirements. So once you add all the details to the preference list, you can reorder them in order of your preference of the university or choice of university. As per the ranking, you can just select, or as per the subject choice. In case some universities are not offering the course that you wish to apply for, like I had applied earlier for the artificial intelligence in the applied sciences, but it was not offered at that time, and there is a missing requirement for this. So now I have changed the preference to the masters in mining. So I have just reordered the application here and added all this. You can see mentioned here 3 years of program, and every scholarship is fully funded here, so I don't have to pay anything. And some programs are absolutely free, like language courses in science and science in zoology. And you can see I have added. Now what is the main option here, that you have to just add all the programs to the list. You don't have to submit anything here. So by default, whatever you keep in the preference list as an order, it will be automatically submitted by the deadline 21st of May 2026. The main thing you have to do is just add the programs to the preference list. That's it. Prior to that, you should be eligible for the programs. Like I adjusted by date of birth here just to show you the demo application process. In your case, you have to keep it original. So by default, the cutoff will be set by the institutions, by the governments here, and then you'll be shortlisted and called for the interview. Basic application process, simple. Shortlist the university, select the program, apply, add to preference list. That's it. Wait for the deadline. That's the simple process and beauty of this application hosted by the government of Saudi Arabia. This is fully funded opportunity. Likewise, you can see different opportunities. We have listed a lot of countries that you can go through, the Europe or any of the countries that you wish to apply. And on a YouTube channel, we just premiere all the scholarships that are first verified, then only premiered here. You can see study in Romania option, Colombia, Italy, and Malaysia government scholarships are also listed here. Check out them as well. And the website for this is fullscholarships.net. It is given in the description below. Or you can ask our team directly on Instagram for the message, through the message for the link, and they will send it here. Or you can check out highlights. And in the comment section, a lot of you are writing comments, but everything is answered already in the video, but you don't watch the video, so that's how you miss this. Still, we are trying our best to reply as soon as possible. You can just message our team on Instagram, and you'll get responses within a few hours. For comments in the comment section, there are a lot of comments that are yet to be answered due to the, because you have not subscribed and it goes spam section, we are not able to answer at that time. So just visit our website fullscholarships.net. If you have anything to ask, write us there on the website. There's a contact section, and our team is there to assist you. That's it for today. I'm signing off for Full Scholarships. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.